In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can create a template in ClickUp, which is for beginners. So without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp account. Once you're inside your main dashboard, select one of the projects that you did on your own. Let's have this for example. So you can see I have a task list, a Kanban board, and a calendar view. Now, assuming I can add a description right here and even an assignees priorities. Basically, this project is done, but I want to share it as a template. So what we're going to do right here, as you can see, it is selected. So click right here on the plus icon, click on templates, or rather click right here on the list settings, then hover your mouse on your template. And what you're going to do is to click on save as template. After that, give it a template name. Let's see, general project form. Then choose on which you want to share this. Do you want to share it for everyone, for admins only, custom, only to yourself, or to members and admins? Then you can choose whether to import everything or customize the import items. And of course, if you want to share it to everyone that has access to ClickUp, simply click on public sharing. Then click on save. And that's it. Once you see this, it means your template is created. Very easy, right? So, if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.